Hey guys, Jessica here. I wanted to do a really quick review on this La Roche-Posay moisturizer. This is my everyday moisturizer. I love it, and let me tell you why. It has SPF in it, SPF 30, and it is going to protect you from the sun as well as moisturize you for the whole entire day. It doesn't pill underneath your makeup. It feels nice, thick and luxurious. I absolutely love the consistency of this moisturizer. Just show you what it looks like. It is so nice and luxurious. It feels amazing on the skin. It doesn't leave any kind of white cast or anything, and it just melts right in, and oh my gosh, it just feels so hydrated and good. It really is such a good moisturizer. It has ceramide 3, which is really great for your skin's barrier. And then it has niacinamide, which is like a vitamin. It's really good. And then it has the prebiotic thermal water, which is like a balancing ingredient. It's supposed to be balancing for your skin. I just can't say enough good things about this. It's like a 2 birds, 1 stone for me. It's a no-brainer. I have continued to buy this over and over, and I will continue to buy it over and over. And if you're in the market for a new daily moisturizer that has SPF in it, I would highly recommend this one.